it's a video. It's gonna be a video. It's recording now.
Video. It's too dark here. I don't get... Go in the sun. It's too dark.
Jetflin. Mine's pretty good right here.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the damn thing to start buffering. Hurry up, Hazley. She has the worst video ever.
Luckily, there's no teachers watching.
Never thought I'd be wearing a suit. Don't fall.
That's a bug thing.
Let's go film everybody.
Come on, what does Rex say?
Film everybody. Who's here we could film? What?
Tyler's going. Oh, there's Tyler.
So, what's up?
Everyone's like all surprised that I'm dressed up. When I walked over there, they're like, "Tyler, you dressed up," and I just Tyler, you look different.
I know it.
I like it.
Yeah.
Actually, it's pretty nice. Your shoes are funny.
It actually looks nice.
Yeah, take a picture of him.
I'm recording.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna show you my shoes.
I should have brought my camera.
Your shirt I brought.
Nice.
The camera's messed up.
I
need to put that on now so I just look fancy.
I was gonna wear jeans with this one now. My mom forced me to. So, how's it going, Tyler?
Good.
You?
Yeah.
How are you guys walking over there?
Sexy,
I'm sure
isn't
it was you. Because you were purple. I'm like, is that
Look at this.
Scott?
Why is this all messed up?
I don't know, just the effects.
Yeah, can you show me how you take a video? You can't take a video.
Hello, brother.
Hello, person.
Oh. I have too much 57 minutes of video because I ate.
Good job for wearing it.
Look at this.
Oh,
They're wearing them. They're wearing tuxedos.
Look, my tuxedo. That's my tuxedo. Very video. Formal. This is
Formal, but not too formal.
spin around while recording.
You're grounded.
Dance.
Oh, that's good video. He's purple.
Hey, you're not allowed to ground your son. I'm allowed to ground.
It's the school.
I was gonna spoil you, you know that? I don't care.
Oh, it's making me sweaty in here.
Oh no.
You must be embarrassed.
I have a really cool picture, but it's too damn small.
After the mess, I'm just gonna take off
Really
these pants and
nice,
wear my
but it's-
jeans.
it's
I bring them here. Yeah.
Why
Did you
long
buy
sleeve.
anything?
Well, I was going to, but I was too busy playing 3DS.
Wow. Out of all of us, I'm pretty sure I'm the one that's only wearing dress shoes and dressed up.
Well, these are my dress shoes.
Look at my grandpa.
Oh, these are my dress.
Yeah, these are my dress shoes.
Sky, have you ever heard of the brand of shoes Emerica?
Yeah.
Are those really nice?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got them. I got one.
I have a shoe, but they're like
Yeah,
too
you
small.
should,
I had them when I was
I don't really like those shoes for some reason.
They're called America.
Oh, I thought it was
What do you have to say about the economy?
What do you have to say about this map? What do you have to say about this map?
I love it! If I pass! If I pass, I say if I pass! On my face!
Okay.
Paparazzi.
Paparazzi! Oh! Get some good shots in the eye.
We'll put this on YouTube and say your next shot. Oh, don't push me.
Oh my god!
Tyler, did you expect me to wear this kind of suit?
Yeah.
No. Oh, no.
No.
I expected you to either wear a tuxedo or just a random shirt.
It's actually so good to get it on
I wasn't sure what you'd wear. When you said you'd wear a vest, I'm like, okay. A vest?
Oh, I know. Brand,
I thought you were kidding.
Where are you
I
going?
was wearing a vest.
Hey, you know 3DS XL is coming out on August 19th. I'm sure you need to know that, but it looks really ugly though. Of course, it has more memory, but it's really ugly. Sky, you look so funny.
Wow.
It's actually looks good on you.
I know. Purple.
Purple sky. It's great.
3DS Jack.
I have a few more seconds of video.
I got 90 minutes of video.
way.
Can I borrow your shoe for a second? I can actually read the teacher by looking into your shoe. I can tell you're a teacher by reading into your shoe.
Well, that's just pissy.
Oh, I know you just want to tell your shoes
I'm
again.
stopped recording at
Okay, I can tell you.
9:90.
Hey, let me see your phone. Let me see your